So people think it's about handstands and, you know, jumping on the rings and doing flips or whatever. And actually, our work is way, way beyond that. It's a completely different and a huge paradigm shift in the way that you think about your practice and your movement and your body.
The best reason to move is because you can. Like, I can really heal your body using this stick because now your spine has to do all those things. Maybe you got an injury there and I help you. High-tech shoes, low-tech feet. The more expensive the toys, the cheaper is the mover. How many movements did you learn last week? A contemporary dancer might learn up to 400 new movements in an audition setting. So the type of brain that gets developed there, I'm not talking about the body, I'm talking about neurological changes, is huge. I want to be the weirdo. I tell people, be the weirdo. Conor is confident. He lives life full on. We're having fun, and that's the way to make great things. Meditating on your death daily to remind ourselves that it's temporary. It's a good day to die.